weather with the KX News Storm Team.
Well, it is another frigid day across western North Dakota. We're looking at a live shot of Bismarck. Now, the normal high temperature is 23, and that would be 23 degrees above zero. And right now in Bismarck is 3 degrees below. So it's a long way away from normal. And the humidity 59%, west-northwest wind at 16 miles an hour. Minot's normal high temperature 23, and it's 6 degrees below zero, and the west wind at 20. So looking at Dickinson, 3 degrees below zero, and the west-northwest wind is at 14, and looking at least a few more temperatures across western North Dakota. And something, boy, you know what? This can't be right. This must be wind chills, because there's no way it's 45 below in Rugby, so I'll check on that. But bottom line, it is very, very cold out there. Wind speed is roughly 10, 20 miles an hour or so. And yes, it's breezy. And if you're out in the open country, still could have some blowing snow issues, but not nearly to the extent that we had yesterday. And looking at some wind chills, this looks more right. Wind chills, here we are, 45 below in Rugby, 24 below for the wind chill in the capital city. But Minot, just up Highway 83, 30 degrees below zero, and you go to Garrison, 36 below. So definitely going to need the ice house to try to get any fishing in. So looking at a precision cast for this afternoon, get a pretty good idea here. Circulation center right somewhere in that area right there, and that's a bad place for us to try to warm up, because the flow around it is bringing the air down from Canada, and it is a cold, cold air mass. 8 o'clock tonight, it slides just a little bit to the southeast. By tomorrow morning, it should be maybe around Jamestown, a little bit farther to the south. But the thing is, with that, then the flow changes. Then we'll get a southerly flow that will allow us to warm up a little bit. Now, it's going to be brutally cold tomorrow, and for a lot of us, it'll be colder tomorrow than it was this morning, as bad as it was. But with the southerly wind and everything else going on, it's going to warm up a little bit. And then by tomorrow evening at 8 o'clock, and this does look a little bit different than what I had during Good Day Dakota this morning. The updated data that we're looking at kind of backed off, at least early on in eastern Montana. The band of snow is quite not as much showing up there, also showing a little bit of freezing rain there. And by overnight, tomorrow night into Friday morning, then it looks like a band of snow is going to move through. Doesn't look like it's going to miss us the way this computer model is, but notice that pink there, that would be freezing rain, and that's not good if it does happen. Behind it, notice those yellow, red, yellow, or the yellow arrows there, 25 to 30 mile an hour winds, so that's not good either. And then by Friday afternoon, it looks like just kind of hit and miss snow showers. So tonight, these would be the actual temperatures. Seriously, seriously cold. And then with that, we have the wind chill warning and the wind chill advisory for wind chills as low as 45 below. And then tomorrow morning when you get up, this is one moment in time, that's what you're going to need to dress for. And then for the high temperatures, it does warm up, so that's nice. Here's a look at the Bismarck 7-day roller coaster temperatures. And I'm talking about up, down, up, down. Overall, there's going to be several chances of rain coming here, but Josh, or several chances of snow, but Josh, again, tomorrow morning, it is going to be real cold.
Yeah, brutal is right, Tom. All right, well, at least we got a little bit of a bump in our near future. Thank you very much.